Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to draw a perfect sunflower within a few minutes. Starting from the center of the sunflower, we are going to mark where we are going to draw the petals and then draw the front petals and start drawing the back petals. And here no need to worry about the lengths of the petals. It can go up and down, but no need to worry. Follow my video step by step so the drawing becomes more easy for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel with friends, families and those kids who loves to draw. And lastly, finishing this beautiful sketch of the sunflower with 2 leaves and the stem. And lastly, don't forget to make a cute little bud. And then, starting with the crayons from Camel oil pastel, we have chosen sky blue or light blue for the sky, and then again using sleep technique where we are just leaving the color and using the body of the color to fill the sky. And when we are completed with the sky, we are moving to the petals with deep yellow from the same box and coloring the petals with the tip of the color. And after coloring all the petals and the bud, we are moving to the center of the sunflower with some brown. Then we are coloring the stem of the bud and the flower and both the leaves with some deep green color. The lower portion of the sunflower is to be filled with light green, which makes the perfect matching with the stem, leaves and the flower. And to highlight the beautiful petals of the sunflower, we are using a bright red color, again giving a stroke from the center of the flower to its edges and making the flower look more gorgeous. Remember, the shade of red is to be given in both the front petals and the back petals and both the buds. Stay tuned on my channel for more videos like this. Hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye.